Hi friends. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe, like and share. Open an AutoCAD window. This is the area to be shown with wiring symbols. Today we are going to learn how to create multiple electrical circuits with one command. Load a local Lisp file called ECKT. Apply ECKT command and start drawing wiring symbols for each circuit. Complete the same process for each room and floor. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share.